Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. Today is one of those days that everyone has been waiting for such a long time. We planned this week almost 2-3 months ago during our final exams. We were sitting and planning this out instead of studying. We were all sitting and planning out this entire trip, when we'll go, when we'll reach there, what to do on each of those days, what to carry, what not to carry, and every minute detail, basically everything else other than studies. And today the moment has finally arrived. So the time is currently 11:50 and our train is at 8 p.m. at the night, and I am ready, as you can see. From here I'll be going straight to Lavanya's house, and then from there we will be taking an auto to... She's more excited than me. So basically pretty excited because all of us have been waiting for this moment from a very long time, and it's finally here and it's actually happening. We are going like mad. Alright, so I just got into my cab and it shows 1.5 hours from here to Lavanya's house. That's where we'll be going, and that's where we will also have lunch. But yeah, pretty excited, and pretty excited to meet everyone, because for me at least it hasn't hit yet. It hasn't hit that we are actually going. I guess only once when I am actually on the train and the train starts moving that it'll actually hit, like, yeah, fuck, I'm actually going. So pretty excited, pretty, what do you say? I don't know. Weird it is. It's nice. So let's hope for a good day and a good overall trip. As you can see, I have successfully reached Lavanya's house, and she has tempted me with this sugary stuff. But as you all know, I haven't touched one also. Instead of that, I am eating pineapple, which is very healthy, very refreshing. So stay away from sugar products. Don't eat them. Just eat healthy fruits. They already have most sugar content in them, and I showed already. What is it? Yeah, they already have sugar content in them, so that you get satisfied. And I've put her to do housework actually. She's cutting ridge guard, which she called snake guard. Nothing she knows actually. So yeah, I'm eating that. We'll finish and then we will head towards, please tell fast, loudly, train station. So we just got into auto and she just got real. It's like actually happening now. There is no turning back. I mean, we can, but we won't.
Yeah, one right, go back.
I said. Yeah, it is so. Let's go.
Finally, after 4-5 months of planning,
guys, and finally. And Vishal also called. He told he'll also be there in 35 minutes, and we'll also be there at that time. So yeah, it's interesting. Can't wait to meet people. We have finally reached railway station. This is our train.
Me.
Yeah, this is one thing.
What?
And these are the other things. Yeah. Yeah, we are finally getting on train. Now it's like actually getting real. It's sitting now. Let's go.
Good journey. Enjoy your days and return safely. Let's go.
Me also.
Have you taken bottles, water bottles?
Yeah. No, I have to buy.
We have when we sleep and then we come out and we do all those things.
Hello guys, today I want to show you unhealthy lifestyle. Look at them eating this junk. Like literally, look at them. You can see the train has not even started yet, and they're eating this. They're eating maida and cheese basically. See her also. She's pretending to be on her phone, but she's actually eating.
Guys, come in.
we'll expose Vikas in this trip fully. I'll show you what Trustliches he eats, what creme brulee he eats. I'll expose it, okay?
See, on vacation it happens, but right now we are not on vacation. We are on the journey.
We already on train, okay? You shut up.
Very bad. It's just.
You just have to record that.
He's also eating. It's just very bad. I sometimes wake up till 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. I sometimes wake up till 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock thinking where our generation is going. Very bad. It's very scary actually. As you can see, train is moving.
Slowly.
Where is that auntie?
Finally, train is moving. As you can see.
It's too fast to begin.
Drink water.
I didn't eat, bro.
Take full, bro. Give me one. Woo. Woo. Yes, thank you.
Yeah, 3, start.
Wait.
Because I thought you'll keep it near your tummy. You kept.
So as you can see, these are my cards, and I've successfully got Tanisha out. She was crying all this time. Vishal actually helped me get her out. It's all because of his blessing that she's out. Public is walking around and people are doing full-on acrobatics here. You come here next to me.
I stole your girl.
We will do romantics.
Come.
I'll do romantics, your girl.
I'll show her tickets then.
Whose sweetie is coming down?
TT.
Oh, yeah. Do acrobatics. Yoga. Do shavasana. Yeah, Tanisha count no.
She has good cards, but I saw +4 now. 4 plus 17? How much?
4 plus 17.
21.
3, 4 more left.
Yeah. All of these people think I'm out, but actually I've given them a chance to play. I'm just very really good at this game. So if I play, they won't have any chance. Like it's literally like 0 or maybe like 0.1, 0.2% of them winning. So I had to let them win. So I had to give up my chance of
boycott.
I had to give up my chance of playing so that they can play. As you can see, I've become out. All my cards are I had more than 25 cards, so I was eliminated, and they're still playing. I've given them an opportunity. They should be grateful for me because this is like once in a lifetime opportunity that I've provided for them. And yeah, I think it's really cool to help people. So this is our food prep. These are chapatis. And what is this?
This is
Rich Guard. This is
Rich.
Bendekai palya. She is eating. They're still playing. And this is chapati. So they're basically playing. We are taking responsibility of giving everyone food.
All are kids.
Exactly.
We are the only ones who are mature enough to feed everyone.
Without us, they wouldn't survive here actually.
Very true.
Yeah, so we are like the bridge, the thread that's holding everything together right now.
That's it.
Hi, हमारे यहाँ ऐसे ही पराठा बनता है.
मेरा दादाजी ऐसे बनाते
दादा.
ये मम्मी ने बना दिया. मम्मी का 3 ले जाता है राउंड.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Mine
Today we are all sitting here and waiting for the woman to
Even I am waiting.
put our beds. So basically they put that
Where is he
there. And we are just waiting for them to finish it so that we all can go sleep. And I don't know why everyone wants to go sleep because it's just almost 10 o'clock only. And I told them let's stay awake, let's have some fun, but no, they want to sleep. What irregular behavior.
Please check his sleeping schedule. Who sleeps at 8:45, 9 o'clock
That
sharp?
is at home, you go that side, ma. Here
I
you
have
come.
proof of his Mumbai videos also where he was dying to sleep.
Please go that side. Yeah. So I was telling, who sleeps at this hour? What kind of human being?
I want to wear.
Keep that down for now.
Wait, cinematic shot.
They become again a triangle. But ऐसे मुझे नहीं ना.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time is almost 11:30 and they have not let me sleep till now. And yeah, everyone is sleeping in the train except us. They were a little bit playing cards, bluff and all. I won all the times. As you know, I am the best at everything I do. Tanisha actually lost in every game. Very sad I feel for her. Today hasn't been a very good day for her. She's been losing in everything. So it's all right. Sometimes it's just not your day. And yeah, it's late. We are about to sleep right now, and see you all in the morning. Boom. Just like that, it is morning. Look at transition skills. See, as you can see, it is morning. The time is that. I got up at 6 only. Everyone was still sleeping, and just because I got up, everyone got up. So this boy is putting charge. That boy is I don't know what she's doing. And then that boys are learning how to talk Malayalam. Very nice it is. And Yash is still sleeping actually. So it's morning right now. And when we were sleeping, we reached off Kerala. We are inside Kerala right now. This is Kerala. This is the railway station. Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. Yeah, this is railway station, but railway station is in Kerala. So very nice it is. Full green views. So apparently we are near Kottayam, and it will take 2-3 more hours for us to reach till there. You can see views. Very nice it is. And we just ate idli. Some guy came selling here, so we bought that only and ate. Everyone is bored, especially this guy. From that time he's telling I'm bored. This one is sleeping. Shameless. And like I said, all of them are eating this unhealthy stuff. You shouldn't be eating all this actually. Very bad for health it is. Please avoid eating this.
This door closes, I go like that.
So we were bored actually. So we decided to move inside the train for 2-3 bogies and then come outside of train and walk towards our seat. This was Vishal's idea. So
Yes,
the
my
train
idea.
leaves without us. It's his fault. It's not my fault. Yeah,
B3 we should go.
Ours is like 5 minutes away from
I
here.
said there, it is
But
there.
sometimes if train leaves, then gone only. We are
Which
living.
station are we? No, we are in Changanasheri. It will
I
leave
don't
now
even
because
know
I
what
guess.
the name is.
Because it left, come.
Very scary near door. Hopefully the train doesn't tilt and then I don't fall off. Because very scary it is. Train is going fast. It might not look fast, but it is going very fast. Yeah, it's a good experience. You should come and sit like this once in your life.
And so he started recording. Guys, this guy is bullying me. He's trying to push me off the train and all. Please help me out. If you see this guy somewhere, don't leave him. I'm giving a note, okay? His name is Vikas SP. His mobile number, I don't know, 8888. Call that number. Report to my parents also. Tell that this guy killed me. He pushed me off this rail. You can see there. The train is going so fast. He's going to push me, okay?
I'm in Tiruvalla.
What are you doing here?
I just got down the train and sat here because I'm bored.
Wow, why?
Because nothing is there to do. Still 2 to 3 more hours. That is our seat actually. We are being in
There.
the train like right here.
I said.
Too hot and too humid also. Very bad.
ऐसे वीडियो
That's okay. Beach. I just saw beach.
This man are fully lazy. They gave me their bags.
As you can see,
You're almost there. I swear. Nearing the divine earth of India.
that uncle is jumping us. We are just like 2-3 minutes away.
Yes.
I swear.
Are you feeling excited?
No.
Why?
I'm tired.
I have full energy, full adrenaline rush I have.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Let's go.
I have finally set foot for the first time in my life to Kerala, God's own country. So we just got off the train from Kerala. Everyone is coming from there. Energy levels are very high. Full, even though we are tired, we had not slept. As soon as we got down, everyone is like filled with full-on energy. Right now we are headed towards the exit of the thing and then towards our room where we will. There is no check-in till 2 o'clock. Right now the time is 12:30. So we will check in and then.
What is he telling, guys? I couldn't hear him. What he told?
I told as you can see. We have finally reached our resting place. No, that sounds bad. That sounds like we are dead. We have reached our residing place. Yes. This is called Molly's. Very nice it is. We got it for a very good price also. It's in between full forest. So it's like we've come camping. We are like nomads. We are jungly woola lala people. See this one, I'm making her carry weights. Why? Because strength training is important even when you're on vacation. So yeah, we are here to check in. Not really check in, just leave our luggages here and then go. Yes.
Washroom, bro. Good.
So this is our room. We are going upstairs. Apartment number 4. People are there. What the hell? Shall don't enter into people's apartment like that. Okay, so and then there is fridge. Oh, kitchen and all nice. We can cook one day. I swear.
See, there is one room.
Very nice. I call tips for this.
I am here. I already got my bag.
I am first. No. So this is their room. They're already sleeping.
It goes to me.
Hey, go that side. Chumma, so much noise they're making. This is Yash. This is his room. I'll show you more clearly. Yeah, rooms are nice. And actually, yeah, it's true. We got this for very cheap. Like for 3 days only, so much less we got actually. It is really nice. And it's really big also. There is kitchen and all. So, you know, if we don't want to eat outside, we can cook our own food and eat off. And there is like attached washrooms and all everywhere. It is nice. Good atmosphere also. It's like in between many trees. Good fresh air we are getting. We have AC in our room. We have fans. So it's very chill inside. I want to wear chaddi actually because it's too hot. But she's not letting me wear chaddi. It's not that I should listen to her and all.
It's
but
common sense, guys. We are going out to eat. Is anybody's pants so dirty? Who's gonna wear a brand new short just to get dirty and come back, take bath and wear a new thing? Just get one thing dirty.
she buddhi don't have. Listen to me. I want chaddi.
Oh, same. Sting around to get vacuumed. Then while going back, I feel I'll fuck it up.
See, I'm taking this so that it will stop something.
ये तेरे को ये चाहिए?
Where we will on this like this.
ये पहन ले.
But ये
चलो.
तो ये टी-शर्ट में डाल दे.
ये सब मेरा. ये चाहिए? ये मेरा है. मैं बस उसे ही पहनेंगे.
Red टी-शर्ट.
ये चाहिए?
हाँ ये दे दो.
ये स्पोर्टवेयर भी पहनेंगे.
It's okay. अभी फोटो में जा रहे हैं.
लल्लू दिखेगी रे.
I don't know. I feel still like I'm in the train.
Yeah, I want to take bath, then wear proper clothes.
told me.
I think I'm just wearing shorts or something right now, and it's okay.
Yeah, I want to change that.
So after going to the room and freshening up, we got a little bit cold things to drink actually, because it's so fucking hot here. And yeah, I'm like sweating profusely. It's not like stopping. Very hot it is. And yeah, Vishal and Shreya are still in room, and Yash also. But we came to explore local places, and we are currently going towards beach. This beach is only 250 meters from our stay. So let me show you. Yeah, you can see that there. Waves are coming. So that is called ocean, and near that ocean one beach will be there. As you can see, I am on the beach. There is a wave coming to attack me. I might get killed, I don't know. Ah! Oh, I didn't get killed. But yeah, it's nice. The water is pretty clean, beaches are pretty clean. It's actually good. Nice it is. Yes, wave is coming to hit us actually.
This is a small water.
I just tried beef for the first time in Kerala, and oh my god. It is just like how Jonathan's mom makes it.
But very less quantity.
Very less quantity, but it tastes nice. Very tender it is. Very dry also. I don't know how I'm eating parota with it, but managing. But it's really good. So you can ignore all the other bad aspects of it because it tastes that good.
So good.
Inside my mouth. Very salty. Bro, we just found a small pathway through the like jungle and stuff, and you won't believe the view. Like literally won't believe the view. Look at that. So we just reached the cafe, which is on top of that hill. Very beautiful cafe, but below here we came through that small road, as you can see. And look at the view.
Looks so good.
There's the sunset happening, full waves and all are coming. Vishal's white pant is fucked.
Even his
Yeah, my white pant is fucked. The things you have to do to get good pictures and videos. Yeah, it's very.
Look at that.
It's a hard life. Oh yeah, someone is going up there. Yeah, there. Yes. So yeah, we will do little bit photo shoot here, and then we will go back to the cafe to eat dinner. Very hot it is. Like I'm not even kidding. Literally hot, and not like the sun kind of hot. It's like so humid.
Humid, I swear.
Like look at this full wet. It's not because of water. It's because of the sweat. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. No, actually, good night, ladies and gentlemen. We just went to the cafe to have some food, but food was very expensive. So we just had some drinks, and then we had one peri-peri fries, and we just left. Right now the time is around 8 something, and then our scooty rental guy called. He told he's already at the location, so we are going right now to collect scooties. And yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you liked it. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share it with friends, because it is fun. People, I am giving entertainment to people. I am giving laughter. I am God. No, I am not God. I am entertainer. So yeah, this is it for this one. See y'all tomorrow in the day 2 of Varkala. Bleh.